Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming to our project presentation today. I am Arliana, and I will be the moderator for this session. Today, we will listen to the presentation of the implementation of a computerized accounting system using ABSS software at PT Electracell. Let's listen together to the first presentation, which will be presented by Rani, who will explain the reason for choosing the system and the implementation plan. Go ahead, Rani.
Thank you, April. First slide. Why is this implementation necessary? The previous system was still using Excel or manual, so the process was slow and error-prone, especially with the increase in transaction. Therefore, we need a more efficient and accurate accounting system. ABSS was chosen because it has complete features, easy to use, and has been proved to be widely used in the accounting field. Next slide. Project plan and progress. Implementation of the accounting system was carried out from February 3 to March 14, 2025. The stage starts from the needs survey and data preparation, ABSS installation and accounting setting, accounting staff training, simulation and initially data input until the system starts running and initial monitoring is carried out. Then I return it to April.
Thank you, Rani. Next, we will look at the tools and device used as well as the implementation results. The time and price are reserved for Keisa.
Thank you, April. Okay, about tools and devices. Our company utilizes the following tools and devices. First, we use the ABSS Accounting version 20.0 INTL software. Second, hardware with computers having a minimum storage capacity of 8 GB. Third, support including a local server, 4 backup and training modules. Fourth, modules used such as general ledger, sales, purchase, inventory, payroll, and reporting. We installed the ABSS system on devices with specific minimum specification to ensure optimal performance. Additionally, we set up a local server to store data and perform automatic backups and as an extra security measure. Okay, next slide. Implementation results. What are the effects of using ABSS? To start with, financial reports are 40% but faster because the process of compiling data is now more efficient with an automated system. Following that, input errors have been reduced as data validation significantly minimizes inaccuracies. Moreover, financial data is more organized and ready for audit since standardized formats simplify data arrangement. Finally, payroll is automated, which means salary calculations are now faster and more practical. After going live, we observe immediate positive impacts on the efficiency of the accounting team. Error decreased, processes become faster, and reports are now more informative. I will return to April.
Okay, thank you, Keisa. Now we are going to the data visualization part of the ABSS system use. Clara, please continue.
Thank you, April. The next is, here is the dashboard view of the MYOB application. And the next is an example to the list of accounts created from MYOB application. Next, and the last is financial statement. This system provides the real-time report that can be accessed by all the time by management. Okay, I will return to April.
Okay, thank you, Clara. For the evaluation and future follow-up, let's hear from Cleo. Please continue.
Okay, thank you, April. Next, evaluation and follow-up. In this process, we identified several challenges that needed to be addressed, as well as solution and follow-up plans that we had prepared to ensure the system was optimized. challenge. The first challenge was the initial adoption of the staff. Given this is a new system, it certainly takes time for users to really get used to it. Secondly, we also face problem with all data needed to go through a cleaning and validation process, so as not to interfere with the performance of the system when used later. Solution: to answer this challenge, we prepared two main solutions. First, there will be a 3 days intensive training for all system users so that they can understand the flow and features well. Second, we will conduct system testing before the official go live to ensure the all functions are running well and there are not significant errors. Plan: once the system is running, we also have advanced plan that consists of 2 points. The first is regular monthly evaluation, which aims to review the performance of the system, provide feedback, and fine-tune the process if needed. The second is the gradual activation of additional modules. For example, we plan to achieve the invoicing module at a later stage to improve efficiency and system integration. Next slide. KPI and RAG status. Next, I will present the progress of system implementation based on KPI and RAG status, red, amber, green, to assess the extent to which targets have been achieved. Accuracy of reports. First, in terms of accuracy of financial reports, the status is green. This means the reports generated from the system are in accordance with the actual transaction that occur in the file. Staff adaptation to ABSS system. Second, staff adaptation to ABSS system also show a green status. Most the staff be familiar and quite proficient and using the system for daily operation. Data security and backup. For data security and backup, it is also the green status. Data backup is currently running automatically every day on the local server, so the risk of data loss can be minimized. Thank you. I will return to April.
Okay, thank you, Cleo. Let's move on to the next section, which will be presented by Arisa. Please go ahead.
Okay, thank you, April. First, speed of monthly report preparation. Payroll still needs time to adjust. Second, complaints with new SOP. Some units have not fully followed the SOP. Next slide. Advice. Second, periodic training for the new staff. Second, development of SOPs for each ABBS feature. And last three, evaluation and review of system effectiveness every quarter.
Okay, thank you, Arisa. From the explanation that has been present, it can be concluded that this system has succeeded in increasing efficiency and accuracy in the company's financial management. The preparation of financial reports become faster and ready for audit, the supporting faster and database decision making. This is our presentation on the implementation of a computerized accounting system at PT Electracel. Thank you to all team members for the informative presentation, and thank you to the audience for your attention and participation. Thank you and see you in the next presentation.